We are living on an ever-changing and constantly connected planet. Digital technology is no longer just a support tool of manufacturing and moving goods. It's a part of the whole process of evolving your business. Cognizant's ROBOaaS provides a reliable infrastructure that will connect and simplify the management of all your remote and branch offices. It doesn't matter if a specific site is a remote factory or a cargo ship. ROBOaaS will connect and manage them through our one-click solution. This provides an up to 30 times faster time to value. As your enterprise plans to close or open new sites, we will not disrupt you. The same software will run just as smooth in an office in Mexico as it does in a data center in India. Are you running a small business or a global enterprise? What about the size of your different sites? Well, it doesn't really matter to ROBOaaS. Our pay-as-you-go model is constantly updated to match your needs, securing the best service for each and all of our clients. Due to the speed and agility provided by the different parts of our service, ROBOaaS promises an up to 3 times lower total cost of ownership. The digital leap is made. Now it's up to us to collaborate and shape our digital transformation into the future. ROBOaaS and Cognizant will not only install, adapt and streamline IT infrastructures, we will help to accelerate the evolution of the whole modern manufacturing industry.